Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will see how we can change the password of the router login page. Let's start the video. First, we need to go to the browser and we need to type the router IP. The router page, you need to type the username and password. The default username and password is admin and admin. Click login. After logging into the page, on the left hand side, you can see the system tools. Click on it and then password. On the password page, you can see old username, admin. Old password is admin. Remember, it's a default username and password for the router. Here you can create a new username as well. We are going with the old one. You can see the new password. Here we will type the new password. Now we will type the confirm password. Click save. Now we will log in from the new password. We have successfully logged in from the new password now. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching the video.